welcome to school too. School too.
Papa, please, Papa.
Yeah, please, can you clear where?
Man is drunk. Yeah, park.
Park very well, clear where.
Good day, sir.
Good day, my brother. How are you today?
Yeah, sir, I'm perceiving alcohol, like you are drunk.
Yes, my brother. I am the long.
What?
From my friend, traditional Malay. Even if you may go, you the long. I'm not coming from the place now. We are all the long.
Sir, it's not good to drink and drive.
Yes.
Yes.
Dangerous to your head.
What of your card, vehicle documents?
I've been planning that I will do that one next year because there's a fire too.
What of your tinted permit?
Tinted permit.
You see something? See, you know about all those things. That one, I don't even have it.
Sir, your wallet,
Your
sir.
wallet, sir.
You know this is where this money is.
Yes.
Okay.
Come and put your boot. We need to see your boot.
Oh, no spare tire?
No, my brother, I told you, the spare tire. I will get it. I will get everything by next year.
You are driving without a spare tire.
Hey,
What is
this is see, let me tell you. I say market in Alaba.
Okay,
You know, this is my market.
okay, you can
Inside
close it.
Thank
What
you.
of your fire extinguisher?
See caution.
My brother, you know this is Nigeria. I don't have any of all those things. And you know, I am the Omega one. See, let me tell you, no need to disturb on yourself. You call me Omega dollar. You take this dollar. Change your life. Live with those comments you are asking about.
Chief, we don't collect money from people.
Is this the Nigerian police?
Yes, of course, we are
this is
Nigerian
Nigerian
police. The Nigerian police.
Apostle, we hear of this.
We don't collect money from people.
Yes.
We are here to protect citizens.
I hear me,
Friends.
by me.
And you cannot collect my dollar.
No.
What? Soldier!
You cannot be doing it. I know. This is a delay. Nigerian police deleted my dollar. It is a lie. It is a lie. April fool.
School too.
See school too daddy and the school too mama. Oh yeah, Jesus.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this episode of School 2 Comedy.
We love you.
Love you, mama.
I love them more. I love them
Please
more. No, you need to love them
try
more.
and subscribe.
You have to love them ovaciously.
To comment.
I love them
Follow us on
ovaciously.
Instagram.
Oceanously. School 2 Comedy.